I know your struggle and pain. I know how hard it is to get enough traffic to your affiliate link. Then to convert that traffic into sales. I have a solution for you. Listen very closely. Want more affiliate sales and signups? Well, the question is, can you afford free? I want you to imagine how much your life would change if you started to use these high conversion rate tools. These conversion tools for affiliates are exactly what super affiliates won't tell you about. Ever. So you absolutely need this. Wouldn't you agree? Are you cool with testing these super affiliate high conversion rate tools right now? They are free. It works for me. It works for everyone else. I'm sure it will work for you too. Become a top 1% earner in 7 days. Start now. You have two options. If you do nothing, nothing will change. If you start free, you will quickly become an expert at high sales conversion. Simply click on the link below this video. Chat later? I'd like that.